Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your home. Today, I'm super excited to share my must-have pantry staples for beginners. I've just moved into my new home and I've stocked up my pantry, so let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about you'll need some basics like flour. I have both all-purpose and whole wheat. Then there's sugar. I recommend keeping granulated brown and powdered sugar on hand. You'll also want a variety of rice. I keep white and brown. Don't forget pasta, spaghetti, penne, and a few other shapes are great to have. Oats and bread are also essentials. I like to have sliced bread and some rolls. Plus, baking powder, baking soda, and yeast for all your baking needs. Next, let's move on to canned tomatoes are a must. Diced, crushed, and paste. I also have canned beans like black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas. Canned vegetables are super handy too. Corn, peas, and green beans. And don't forget canned soup and broth. I have chicken, beef, and vegetable broth. Pasta sauce, nut butters like peanut and almond butter, and a variety of jams and jellies are perfect for quick meals and snacks. Now, on to salt and pepper are staples, of course. Then there's garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chili powder, cumin, oregano, basil, thyme, bay leaves, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla extract. With these, you can tackle almost any recipe. Make sure you have olive oil and vegetable oil. Cooking spray is super convenient, and a variety of vinegars, white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and balsamic vinegar are great for dressings and marinades. Let's not forget, you'll want ketchup, mustard, both yellow and Dijon, and mayonnaise. Soy sauce, hot sauce, barbecue sauce, and a few salad dressings should also be in your pantry, are essential too. Stock up on dried pasta, quinoa, lentils, breadcrumbs, and crackers. They're perfect for easy, quick meals. I like to have chips, nuts, and seeds, dried fruit, and popcorn. They're great for when you need a quick bite. Don't forget your coffee, tea, hot cocoa mix, and juice are always good to have on hand. And finally, a few items. Honey and maple syrup are great for sweetening. Cornstarch is a must for thickening sauces. Bouillon cubes are perfect for adding flavor. And don't forget soy milk or another non-dairy milk option. This list covers the basics to get you started. As you cook more, you'll discover additional items tailored to your preferences and favorite recipes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.